Bauxite ball press is a kind of high-tech equipment specially designed for ore powder ball pressing. It can effectively save the use of minerals and beautify the environment. Today we learn about the heat dissipation problem in the operation of the bauxite ball press. As long as the machine is running, it generates a lot of heat, although the machine itself has the function of cooling, but the machine will not run for a short time. Special attention is therefore necessary. If there is no heat dissipation for a long time, the service life of the whole machine will be greatly shortened. Sometimes parts of the machine burn out. So the heat dissipation of bauxite ball press is very important. The long-term operation of the machine is easy to cause problems once the internal parts of the machine are burned out. Due to the internal overheating of the machine, the replacement of parts is more troublesome, time-consuming and laborious.